Fruits. Fruits are an important part of our daily diet. They are healthy, delicious, and full of nutrients. We eat fruits because they are good for our bodies and give us energy. There are many different kinds of fruits, and each one has its own taste, color, and shape. In this essay, I will talk about different types of fruits and why they are important. One of the most popular fruits is the apple. Apples come in many colors, like red, green, and yellow. They are sweet and crispy. People love to eat apples as a snack or in salads. Apples are also used to make juice, pies, and other desserts. An apple a day is said to keep the doctor away because apples are very healthy. They're full of vitamins and fiber, which help keep our bodies strong. Another common fruit is the banana. Bananas are yellow when they are ripe. They are soft and sweet. Bananas are very easy to eat, and they are great for breakfast or as a quick snack. Bananas are full of potassium, which is important for our muscles. Many athletes eat bananas to get energy before a game or exercise. Bananas are also good for our digestive system because they have fiber. Oranges are another popular fruit. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. This vitamin helps keep our immune system strong, so we don't get sick easily. Oranges are a great snack, and people often drink orange juice with their breakfast. Oranges grow in warm places, and they are often eaten in the summer. The orange peel can also be used to make marmalade or to add flavor to dishes. Watermelon is a favorite fruit in the summer. It is big, juicy, and sweet. Watermelons have a green outside and a red inside with small black seeds. Watermelon is mostly water, which is why it is so refreshing to eat on a hot day. It helps keep us hydrated and cool. Many people enjoy watermelon at picnics or barbecues. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamins A and C. Another sweet and refreshing fruit is the strawberry. Strawberries are small and red with tiny seeds on the outside. They are very tasty and are often used in desserts like cakes and ice cream. Strawberries are also eaten with chocolate or in salads. They are full of vitamin C, which helps keep our skin healthy. Strawberries grow in the spring and summer, and many people enjoy picking them from farms. Grapes are small, round fruits that grow in bunches. They can be red, green, or purple. Grapes are sweet and juicy, and they are often eaten fresh or dried as raisins. Grapes are also used to make juice and wine. They are full of antioxidants, which are good for our heart and help prevent diseases. Grapes are a great snack because they are easy to eat and very refreshing. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is sweet and a little sour. It has a tough, spiky skin, but the inside is juicy and delicious. Pineapple is often eaten fresh in salads or as a topping on pizza. It is also used in many desserts and drinks. Pineapple is full of vitamin C and enzymes that help with digestion. People love to eat pineapple in the summer because it is refreshing and full of flavor. Mango is another tropical fruit that many people love. Mangoes are sweet and juicy with a soft texture. They can be green, yellow, or orange on the outside. Inside, the flesh is bright orange. Mangoes are often eaten fresh or used in smoothies, juices, and desserts. Mangoes are full of vitamins A and C, which are good for our eyes and skin. In some countries, People also eat green mangoes with salt or chili powder for a tangy treat. Berries are a group of small, juicy fruits that include blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which are great for our health. Blueberries are often called a superfood because they help improve brain function and protect our heart. Raspberries and blackberries are sweet and a little sour. They are often used in jams, pies, and smoothies. Berries are great for snacks, and they help keep us healthy. Peaches are soft, sweet fruits with a fuzzy skin. They are usually yellow or orange and have a big pit inside. Peaches are very juicy and are often eaten fresh or used in pies and desserts. They're full of vitamins A and C, which are good for our skin and eyes. Peaches grow in the summer, and many people enjoy eating them on hot days. The soft, sweet taste of a ripe peach is very satisfying. Cherries are small, round fruits that are sweet or sour. They are usually red or dark purple. Sweet cherries are often eaten fresh, while sour cherries are used in pies and jams. Cherries are full of vitamins and antioxidants that help fight diseases. They are also known to help reduce pain in muscles, which is why many athletes eat them. Cherries are a great summer fruit and are enjoyed by many people around the world. Lemons are yellow, sour fruits. They are not usually eaten by themselves because they are very sour, but they are often used to add flavor to food and drinks. Lemon juice is used to make lemonade, which is a popular drink in the summer. Lemons are also used in cooking, baking, and to flavor water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and help boost our immune system. They are also used as a natural remedy for sore throats and colds. Avocados are unique fruits because they are creamy and rich, not sweet like most fruits. Avocados are green on the outside and have soft, buttery flesh inside. They are often used in salads, sandwiches, and to make guacamole. Avocados are full of healthy fats that are good for our heart and brain. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies healthy. Many people eat avocados for breakfast or as a snack because they are very nutritious. Papaya is another tropical fruit that is sweet and soft. It has orange flesh and black seeds inside. Papayas are often eaten fresh or used in smoothies and salads. They are rich in vitamins A and C, which are good for our eyes and skin. Papaya is also known for its digestive enzymes, which help break down food in our stomach. Eating papaya is a great way to stay healthy and feel refreshed. Fruits are not only delicious, but also very important for our health. They provide our bodies with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that keep us strong and healthy. Eating a variety of fruits every day can help prevent diseases, improve digestion, and give us energy. Fruits also make great snacks because they are natural and low in calories. In conclusion, fruits are an essential part of our diet. There are many different types of fruits, each with its own taste and benefits. Whether it's a juicy apple, a sweet banana, or a refreshing watermelon, fruits add flavor and nutrition to our lives. By eating a variety of fruits, we can stay healthy and enjoy the wonderful flavors nature has to offer.